Are you ready for Dance with Misty?
ආනෙඩිංගක් ඉන්නකෝය දැක පොට්ටක් දෙන්නකෝ ඇයිද කලබල අහක බල බල යන්නේ ඩිංගක් ඉන්නකෝ ලස්සන ලෝකයේ මට හිමි ආදරේ සොයමින් ජීවිතේ පාලුමකා.
Hi everybody in California, right? Misty is returning to California after 9 years. So TNS Productions and Tuzita is organizing a Dance with Misty, a super event, and we are so excited to be there in California this time after a very long time. So get ready and polish your dancing shoes, and we are ready to rock and roll with all of you in California. We will see you there.
Hello to everyone in California. I'm so excited to announce that I will be coming to California with Misty for the Dance with Misty happening on the 25th of April at the Rose Gardens, organized by the TNS Production. Myself and Misty, we are so looking forward to entertain all of you wonderful people in California. If you haven't purchased your tickets yet, please go and grab it fast before it's too late. So polish your dancing shoes and get ready to party with us. See you all soon.
මම නිත්‍ය දාරක් වෙනවා